All in this class, we are going to discuss one case study which is related about different challenges being faced when we are using EEG device. So, the title of the case study is that unlocking potential innovation in EEG technology for enhanced brain monitoring. So before getting into this topic, let me give brief introduction about what is all about EEG. So as you know, the EEG is the electroencephalograph. It's a device to record electrical activity of the brain. So this device will give the information about all the function of the brain. So which in turn helps to diagnose all kind of brain disorders or neurological disorders. That is the main purpose of using this EEG device. The if you see normal EEG device which are existing in this market these days or existing in hospitals, which are seems to be very bulky. Okay, it's not easy to portable from one place to another, and also it's so expensive. It's not cost effective. So most of the people in urban areas, lots or in rural areas or in small scale clinics, they are not affordable to purchase high quality or high featured EEG machine because of this expensive. Um, and then also it required trained professionals. It means that it's not easy to operate each device just like normal common people. So they need some special training on how to operate this device. So such training or expertise is needed to operate EEG machine. So these are the few challenges you can see in ECGs. This challenge is actually limiting the accessibility and usability of this EEG machine. And so that many of the healthcare facilities or research labs, even the home environments, like where the continuous monitoring of ECG is where it's where needed, it also it's getting affected because of these challenges. So let me see one existing device. Recently they have been developed a few of these challenges to be addressed by this device. Okay, so such one existing device is that emotive epoch. So this is one kind of EEG, wireless EEG headset. It's a EEG device. This is the one is again portable. So here this device have been developed by researcher, scientist people, in order to in order to overcome the few of the challenges whatever we discussed in so far. Okay, so here they have used like a portable EEG headset, so that too many electrodes, there is no need of too many electrodes to be placed in the head in order to monitor EEG machine. Usually there is more than 10 20 electrode is needed to be fixed over the skull in order to monitor the electrical activity of the different brain lobes. But this type of electronic device is have reduced the number of electrode is being used, and also it's there is no connection of wire. So that it also one of the added advantage of having this type of EEG device. And not only this, it also provides the real-time monitoring for of brain activity with a user-friendly interface. And they have utilized dry electrodes, not wet electrodes. So this benefits of using high dye electrodes is that it eliminating the need of applying gel. Okay, so there certain people or few people they are not feel comfortable of applying gel in all over the head in order to place the electrodes, and also they may feel like some discomfort. So because of that, here they have gone with dry electrode technology. So it will be like more convenient for the users. And also this particular device is more compatible with a different range of software applications. So we can go with any open software applications whichever compatible to this particular device, emotive epoch device. So this enable or this helps the researchers or clinicians, even the individuals who interested to do so many wonders in EEG related studies, like they are like very benefited to use this device. Okay, it actually pay the way to do so many works and to do so many studies. So whatever limitation they have faced in previous case, everything's being overcome after innovation of this existing emotive epoch device. So this device like emotive epoch have received the award for best trusted EEG device for doing studies for EEG related activities. So, in order to bring such innovation, EEG device, we have to do so many innovation or creativity in existing other EEG device. In following things, whatever I'm going to discuss. The first thing is miniaturize and portability. Okay, so what we have seen in previous slide, that is emotive epoch EEG device, that is very small and portable. So such thing we have to be do certain innovation in order to make it miniaturized, so that it will be reduced in size, so the weight of the headset can also be reduced, so it will be more convenient for the people to wear it for long time in order to make continuous monitoring. So that is the one way of improvise or enhancing the EEG device usage. Second one is affordability. So whatever we addressed in first slide, that is the expensive is another one of the crucial thing need to be addressed immediately in order to enhance the usage of EEG. The reason is that the small scale clinics or the small even the people who are interested to do so many studies on each device, they are lagging in this category because of too much expensive. So the affordability, if you are increasing more by lowering the cost of each device, the accessible of such each device is being will be improvised, so the more healthcare people or researchers will get benefited to make so many wonders in this area. And also user interface and data analysis, also the third a solution to be worked on. The reason is that this EEG device is to be user friendly, so that all the people at least the physicians or clinician who are need to be operated to the particular device must feel very easy. Okay, they should be feel very comfortable when they are operating device, and when they are visualizing the data. So if they have more comfortable with that, then they will go with the next part, that is analyze part, the analysis part. That part also will become easy for them to do diagnose what kind of problem is there with the output of each device. So the user interface also very important along with data analysis. So whatever data we are getting, that is the actual output of the brain activity. So the paka and the clear analysis is very needed. So analysis tool will also empower the clinicians or researchers to get the meaningful information or the insights about what the EEG data is all about. So that also the very much important thing to be addressed next to the interfacing, that is the data analysis. And fourth most thing to be analyzed is that wireless connectivity and integration. As I said before, in EEG monitoring, there should be more than 10 to 15 or 20, in some case yeah, more than 20 electrodes will be placed over the head in order to acquire the EEG activity. Based on the application, that is based on the condition of the patient problem, the electrode placement will get vary from person to person. So that cumbersome of electrode connections, all these wires will make discomfort, will make discomfort for the patient, or not only the patient and also doctors. They will get confused which electrode is giving what output. So to avoid all these things, there are better solution to come up with the better solution to come up in order to address this problem is that to bring wireless connectivity and integration. So it actually this kind of wireless integration and wireless connectivity and integration will helps the physician and also the patient to have a smooth monitoring and also enhance the uh, overall improvement of brain management. And third one and last one is education and training. Okay, so this is also one of the important thing, like to do so much innovation in the existing device, we have to do first educate on the particular device, how is working and what is all about. And also we need training in order to like to have a very good benefit from the device. Okay, to get very good benefit, to be benefited from the device. So that also very much needed. So for that we need such education and training to use the device effectively, so that we will have very good adoption and utilization of this EEG device. So these are the few solution we can implement in order to enhance the overall accessibility, usability of each device. Okay, so as a conclusion, so far we have listed there are the few areas of the improvement where the each device will be worked on in order to meet diverse needs of healthcare, not only healthcare, even research or personal health monitoring. So thereby advancing our understanding and treatment of neurological condition, and we can enhance overall brain health management. Thank you.